How to hard reset the Samsung Galaxy A07. If you find the video helpful, consider clicking the like button and subscribe to the channel. First, you will need to shut down your phone. So I will swipe my screen down from the right and click on the power icon. And now we can click the power off button to shut down our phone. But if you're doing this because you forgot your password or anything like that, you won't be able to shut down your phone. Because when you try to do that, it will request you enter your password. So here is a solution to that. First, you have to get a power cable like this one. Then you will also need a computer running any operating system. So you want to plug your cable to your PC and phone. Then press and hold down the power button and volume down keys together. And that will power off your phone without the need to enter your password. So now you want to press and hold down the power key and volume up button together. You will hold the keys until you see the Samsung logo. Now you can leave the keys. So it will bring us to this Android recovery screen. You can use the volume down button to move down and volume up button to go up. The power key is used to enter. You want to navigate to Wipe Data Factory Reset and then click the power button to enter. Then you want to select Factory Data Reset by pressing the volume down button and then press the power key to enter. This will start wiping your phone. Then click the power button to enter Reboot System Now. This will start rebooting your phone. Your phone may reboot several times, but when it's done, you will see this welcome screen and it looks like you just bought the phone and everything has been wiped. I forgot to mention, you can remove the cable once you are able to shut down the phone because we don't need it to hard reset our phone. It is only useful in shutting down the phone if you forgot your password. So that's it, guys. If you find the video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to the channel.